Hey ladies, it's Talayia with Melanin Beaute Boutique, and it is Weave It Up Wednesday. So today I'm going to show you my routine on how I keep my curly hair extensions curly. You know you want them curls to be popping. The two ingredients that I use to keep my curls nice and curly is hot water. So I just put some hot water in a water bottle, and this Shea Moisture curling enhancing smoothie. So this is what it looks like. So that's all I use to keep my curls curly. So I didn't wrap my hair last night. Of course, I told y'all the struggle with that. I don't be remembering, so you can see it's all like fuzzy and stuff and looks kind of dry. I mean, it still feels soft just because the hair is nice and soft, but it still feels dry. And I just want my curls to be nice and crisp again and nice and, you know, popping. All right, let's get to it. So then the next thing I like to do, just because I want to make sure my middle part from my closure like stays nice and like flat, I add like a little bit more up there and just put it like directly on that, and my little back part right there. And then I use the old school hard bristle brush, you know, when your mom used to like grip your edges with it and grip your scalp and your skin. Yeah, I use one of them type of brushes. And then I just brush down just the top part up here. Brush this down. And then my little piece in the front, which helps hold or conceal the fact that it's a closure. I do that, and then I just do some more finger detangling a little bit here. And I get my scarf and I just tie down just like enough for like the top part, so like up here. I don't tie it too tight, but I'm just trying to get up there to lay a little bit. So I tie that. So then I leave this on my drive to work. So my drive to work is like 30 to 40 minutes. So I leave this on my drive to work, and then I take it off. So I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like in 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes and I'm going to take this off so you guys can see. lay down now. So yeah, it came out like it normally does. Very nice. I like to make sure I don't get that little hump, you know, so I like to fluff it a little bit. But can y'all see how curly the hair is? Like, look how curly it is. Like, look at that. Look how curly it is. Like, it's so curly. I love this hair. Like, it really just like, look at that. Look how nice and moisturized it looks. Like, look at that. Like, it's so nice. And it really popped my curls back together. Like, look at that. So that is it for Weave It Up Wednesday. Thank you so much for joining in and watching us today. If you've gotten this far in the video, please consider subscribing and hit that